Hello my dear friends, welcome back to your channel of learning mathematics. Today I believe will be the last session of exercise 2.5. Whew, finally, there were so many problems. Now we're almost getting to an end to it. That's what it does. Patience, practice, determination always will definitely bear good fruits. So we have around about 4 to 5 questions today in this video that is left for us. We will try to wind that up, as well as I will be solving question number 12 also. Remember last video, those who did not watch the last video, you can kindly watch that last video. So last video I had solved this particular question in a different way. So today I'm going to give you another way, so you can choose which one is best for you. For those students who do not wish to go for very lengthy calculations, multiplications and all, maybe you can prefer, I think you will prefer the method that I do now today. Those if you prefer those methods also, that previous method also, you can do that also. Anyone, there will be more methods again I see. So maybe next time if I come across some other new methods, again I'll give you that also, no problem, right? As I say, mathematics, we can do it in many different ways. It has to be only mathematically correct. Alright, fine then, let's move on to let's redo question number 12. Don't get me wrong here, previous question, the way we did number 12 was absolutely not wrong, it was all correct. I'm just trying to give you another way to solve it for those who wish, I mean like those students who may not like big calculations, multiplication and all. Last question was slightly okay, too big and all. Maybe if you know your formulas well, but that's the catch here for this particular method. Alright, you should know your formulas properly. Alright, so without wasting much time, let's finally get back to this. Verify that. So I'm not going to repeat that question again because we've already done it. So I'm going to straight jump into the solution. So here what we will do is solution. We know. Alright, I hope you've brought your pen, paper, book, everything. I'm giving you some time, some moment. Get that ready. In the meantime, I'll just... yeah. Alright. Okay, let's begin. So the question number 12 solution. So what we will do is for this method, what we will do is we know, we are going to proceed with this particular question, that is we know x plus y plus z, I mean we know that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to that identity, x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus, alright. So this time we are going to start from the left hand side now. So we'll continue with this one. Because if you look at the proof, we have to prove that this term is equal to that proof on the question on the right hand side, wasn't it? So now what I'm going to do here is I will multiply and divide by 2. So it doesn't change the value of the question. We can do that. As long as it doesn't change the value of the question, we can do that, no harm done. So with that, of course, I will write here, I need more space, 1 by 2. X plus y plus z. Now this 2 I'll multiply, this one I'll multiply, and that's why I multiplied it, that's why I brought in this 2. 2x squared, 2y squared, 2z squared, 2xy, 2yz, 2zx, then x, y, z. 2x square can be written as x square plus x square, y square also can be written as y square plus y square, z square also, 2z square also can be written as z, no, 1 plus 2 is can be written as 1 plus 1, so 2x square can be written as x square plus x square, y square plus y square, z square plus z square. This one will remain as it is. So what am I doing? I don't know. We will get to know very soon. Alright, so now, okay, I'll just write down that proof part. What are we supposed to prove here? We were supposed to prove that this value is equal to 1 by 2 x plus y. Don't write this, okay? I'm just writing down the proof for us. X plus y plus z is equal to, so that I can show you exactly what we are doing, why we are doing. x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. Remember I told you to do this method, to use this method. Ho gaya na? Finish? Rubbing it off? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can always pause the video. I told you that we need to know the formulas properly, our algebraic identities. So if you remember this a minus b whole square algebraic identity, or let me just note something like this. X minus y whole square identity was x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. Similarly, y minus z whole square will be y square minus twice yz plus z square. Likewise, z minus x square would be z square minus 2xz plus x square. What I'll do now is I'll do a little bit of arrangement. That is, so from here to this step, these are just for our understanding only. Now you see, I'll arrange. See, I need to convert it in this form. I need x square, which is already here. I'll choose 1x square, 2xy, 1y square. So I'll arrange and write x square minus 2, arranging only now, y square. So that means this one I got. Next, I'll take 1y square minus 2yz. This is just arrangement game. I'll take 1z square plus z square. Similarly, this arrangement, that should be z square, which I'll get from here, plus z square minus 2zx, which I'll get from here, 2zx plus z square, where 1z square is still there, x square, so 1x square is still there. So I've just done a little bit of arrangement only, just by multiplying and dividing by 2. So then, 1 by 2, x plus y plus z. I'll just use brackets. So this can be written as x minus y whole square plus this can be written as y minus z whole square plus this can be written as z minus x whole square. But that's the proof. So of course, definitely this one is a little bit more simpler compared. Last one was also simple, but of course you had to do a lot of multiplications. You had to be careful, cancellations and all that. Yeah, I do. I also accept that fact. So in that case, you can go for this one. This one definitely seems to be a lot easier. All right. Okay, then fine then. Chalo, let's move on to the new questions. That is question number 17. If a plus b is 10, a square b plus b square is 58, find a cube plus b cube. If they really needed a cube plus b cube, then definitely they would have given you some other values. But instead they give you this, a plus b is equal to 10, a square plus b square is equal to 58. That means there is something fishy here, suspicious. That means to get the value of a cube plus b cube, definitely we will need the value, these two terms. Now how? Let's have a look. We know, what is the formula for a cube plus b cube? There are two identities. I'll use this one. A plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Remember that? So now to find out, see, a cube plus b cube, a plus b already there. A square plus b square, a square plus b square, also I'll get it from here. The one problem that I will have is AB value I do not know, because individual values of A and B we do not know. It is not given. It is not given. So here also there can be many ways to solve. We will do one way. So let it be as it is. Equation 1. Let's see. Given a plus b is equal to 10. Now what will I try to do? What am I trying to do here now? I will be trying to see a plus b value we already have. A square plus b square also we already have. So I will be trying to find out the value of a into b. Now what I can do is I will square both sides of this given equation, right? That is squaring both sides. So in that case, this is now a square plus b square is already given 58. Twice ab equal to 100. A square plus b square equal to 58. That is already given to us. So in that case 2ab will be 100 minus 58. I'll continue here. So in that case 2ab will be 42. So ab, the value of ab can be 42 divided by 2. So 21. So yes, we got the value of ab using the conditions that were given to us in the question. So now finally we can go back to equation 1. So therefore from equation 1 we can easily now find out the value of a cube plus b cube. Okay, because we already have the value of ab now. So is it done? I'm rubbing it off. Okay. So now a cube plus b cube is equal to what? A plus b. So this is already 10 into a square plus, okay, I'll just write for our convenience. So 10 into a square plus b square is 58 minus ab we get 21. So that's going to be 10 into 37. So the value will be 370. So the value of a cube plus b cube is 370 using the informations that were given to us. Fine, is that alright? Okay, alright, you can pause the video here, you can note down, I'll rub it off just to save some time for us so that the video doesn't go too long. Okay, next question. Eating. If a plus b plus c is equal to 6, then find the value of 2 minus a whole cube plus 2 minus b whole cube plus 2 minus c whole cube minus 3 into 2 minus a, 2 minus b, 2 minus c. I'll just do the basic way, traditional way. Written? Alright. So the value of a plus b plus c is equal to 6. That means again here also there is something fishy. Why would they give you this? So with this knowledge we will find out this value. Now, what was the formula for just now only we did x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. That was x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Now have a look at this. Isn't it the same format? X cube, y cube, z cube, 3x, y, z. So we can apply, isn't it? We can apply. So look here. Of course, if we can just write, like, let us assume. Okay, forget it. That's not our assumption, not required. We can just identify and then we can just do directly also, not a big problem. Okay, we've got the point here. So that means here you can see that the x, it is almost the same. I told you these identities are what? Just models only. It can come to you in different forms, just like vegetables can be cooked in different styles, isn't it? Potato remains potato only, but it can be fried, boiled, smashed. It can be cooked in different ways. So the identity is also the same. It's potato only, but it can be cooked in different styles. So this is a format only, right? But it can come to you in different varieties, different forms. So you just have to like identify that only. Now, so see if we have identified, of course it is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3x into y into z. So in that case, we can now directly apply. Okay, I'll just write. I mean, no need to. What I mean to say is, no need to write so many other unnecessary stuff. No, we can just do this directly. Because the condition, when shall we use, we will get to know. So according to that, the formula will be x plus y plus, don't be confused here, z, because now what is x, y, z? Our x, y, z is x, y, z, so it's going to be x plus y plus z into x square. What is x? This one, x square plus y square plus z square minus x into y, that is 2 minus a into 2 minus b, minus y into z minus x z into x, that is 2 minus b into 2 minus c, 2 minus c into 2 minus a. Don't worry, it is not as the way it seems to you. Some of you might be thinking, oh, kya kaam khatam again, like I have to again square this, again square this. No, you don't need to, because condition is given. That is most probably going to be 0 only. Because a plus b plus c was given to us as 6. We have 3 2's here. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is also 6. So 6 minus 6 will definitely be 0. So let's save this. So now just this bracket, I'll remove the bracket. 2 minus a plus 2 minus b plus 2 minus c. This one I will not expand, I will let it be as it is. Because somehow I can guess. Now you see 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 minus a minus b minus c. And this one, okay, again. So 6 minus, if we take common, a plus b plus c, and this value again will remain as it is. I'll just write like this, okay, just to save some time. You know what to write, isn't it? It's going to be the same stuff. So actually you can reduce a lot of steps. I'm just showing to you in detail only, because from here you can directly write this if you can manage to just work it out, because it's going to be 6 minus common a plus b plus c, like this. You can do that also, but I am just showing it to you so that you will know exactly what is happening. So in that case, this is going to be 6 minus 6, because a plus b plus c is given as 0. I mean a plus b plus c is given as 6, and this one again I'm not going to write, will be again the same quantity. So then this value is what? 0 into, okay, for the last time, let me just write down plus. Some of you might think, sir is becoming lazy. 2 minus A, 2 minus B, 2 minus B, 2 minus C, 2 minus C, 2 minus A. So then the ultimate value is how much? 0. So we do not have to expand the other part. That's what the trick is always. That means you have to identify the question properly, because why would they give you A plus B plus C equal to 6? Definitely there is some relation with the question also. That's why we had 2, 2, 2. So the 2 plus 2 plus 2, that's 6. Minus A minus B minus C. So minus common A plus B plus C. That is also 6. 6 minus 6 we get 0. So somehow we can estimate also, like just by the moment we look at the question. Okay? Alright. Of course, all these things, your brain will start responding, definitely, provided, of course, yes, you spend some time with the subject. Mathematics is a beautiful subject, but yes, you have to spend some time. Number 19, factorize. So these are all like revision questions only of all the identities that we have already done. Now, again here also I will be direct. Okay, you can expand if you want and all, but as I said, there can be many ways to do this. Not only the way I'm going to do, there will be many more ways. You can try those also. What I'm going to do is, again, I will be assuming this formula only. I will be using this identity only. So that means here my x is this, my y is this. Model only. So then I'll just start using. That is 2x plus, otherwise you can expand a minus b whole cube also. You can do that also if you wish. We'll be using this x minus y. What is x? This value. What is y? This value. So of course I'll use brackets. Brackets are very important, so learn how to use your brackets properly. Then it's x square, that is this one. X square plus x into y plus y square. So that's going to be 2x plus 3y minus 2x minus into minus plus 3y. And this one I'll expand 2x plus 3y whole square. That is a square plus twice into a into b plus b square plus, and if you look at this formula, if you remember the identity, a plus b into a minus b, 2x plus 3y plus, into 2x minus 3y. So the terms are same, just plus minus. So that one I already told you how to identify, 3y whole square, that is a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. And this one again I'll expand, that is a minus b whole square, that is a square minus twice into a into b plus b square. So now if we carry on, that is 2x plus 2x minus 2x cancels, we have 6y. And this will be 4x square. Remember, 2 square 4, x square is x square, plus 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, xy, plus 9y square, plus again 4x square minus 9y square, plus again 4x square minus 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12, xy, plus 9y square. See, no method is easy, no method is difficult. Okay, if you know your concepts properly, then every method is easy, every method will be it's almost same. So it's all about your concepts, how you calculate. Your arithmetic should be strong, concept should be good, practice. You cannot expect to learn mathematics overnight or just by watching one simple video. No, that is not how it works. You have to spend some quality time with yourself. So 12 plus minus 9 plus minus, done. So what is left? X squared, 4, 4, 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12x squared, and plus, so this is done, this is done, this is done, so only 9y squared is left. So that's 6y into, I can take 3 common, so 3 4s are 12 plus 3 3s are 9. By taking 3 common, I mean, we are not supposed to solve here, remember, okay? We are supposed to factorize, that means we have to write it in the factorized form. So 3 6 are 18, y, 4x squared plus 3y squared. So that's factorized. So the factors are 18, comma y, comma 4x squared plus 3y squared. Alright, so that's the way it is. So number 20, the last question. So the last question is very much similar to question number 18. That is find, that is like if a plus b plus c is 3x, then they're asking again find x minus a whole cube plus x minus b whole cube plus x minus c whole cube minus 3x minus a, x minus b, x minus c. So you can have a look at that previous question. It's very much alike, okay? It's very much the same. It's very much the same. So you can just have a look. You can just compare once with question number 18 that we have done today. You will see that it's nothing different. It's very much the same. Got it? So yeah, so now you see a plus b plus c equal to 3x. So you see a x plus x plus x, 3x, minus minus minus, so minus common, a plus b plus c, 3x. Now you see, maybe we can try this one in a slightly different way. Like let's just say like x minus a plus x minus b plus x minus c is, I'll just remove the bracket. Without the bracket also you can do directly x minus c. So that's going to be x plus x, 3x minus common for all, a plus b plus c. So that's going to be how much? 3x minus 3x. So that's of course going to be 0. So we'll keep that in mind. We're just approaching this question in a slightly different way. Let's see how it turns out. If it turns out to be shorter and simpler, we will do this one. So now, so as you know that I'm very lazy, I'll start from here. So this is done. I'm rubbing off. Chalo. Okay, fine. Chalo, I will rub it off. So now the value of this will be, as I say, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3x into y into z will be what? X plus y, right, x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus x into y minus y into z minus z into x. But we have already calculated this value, 0, isn't it? Previously the one that I rubbed off, into this value, which you can write, that is using 1. So maybe what you can do is that particular equation where we calculated x minus a plus x minus b plus x minus c, where we calculated 3x minus 3x equal to 0, you can mark that as equation 1, so that we can easily directly use using 1. So you can mark that as equation number 1, so that here directly I'll just put the value, that is this value is nothing but 0, because I've already calculated it ahead before. Alright, got it done. So these are of course lengthy questions, there is no way out. So that answer again would be what? 0. I did not write this part, that is this part. So it's alright, you have to write, okay, but at least you can just write that one. Again, I guess you can pardon me for not writing this one. No, it's alright, no? So I did not write this, it's going to be the same. We are not going to expand, we are not going to calculate, because we know this value is 0. So 0 into this particular value, so this value will be of course 0. Why? Because using 1 we've already calculated. So maybe you can do like this also. In advance you calculate what is 0, so you have to write down only 1, 2, 3 steps, your answer is done. So maybe you can proceed like that, it will be time saving, I hope, I'm sure. Alright, so finally that's it, that winds up exercise 2.5. Okay, my dear students, so thank you so much for your support and motivation also, of course. So if you have enjoyed this video, if you have learned something from it, please do give me a like. Alright, and yes, please do not forget to share and subscribe also. Alright then, stay safe, take care, I'll see you soon with a new chapter. Bye bye.